Hey guys, how you guys doing today? So guys, we'll be cooking spaghetti today. Here are my ingredients. I have my tin tomatoes, I have my thyme, I have my curry, and I have my ginger powder, my onions, and my fresh pepper, and my tomato, and salt to taste, and my gizzard. So guys, stay tuned with me. Let's see. So I will be boiling the gizzard. This is what I want to use. I have thyme, mangi cube, ginger, onions, pepper, salt. So I'm going to be pouring it and wait for the gizzard to cook. So now I'm frying it. Sorry guys, I'm frying it and I need to allow the gizzard to dry. I like dry gizzard. Okay, guys, and that is it. So I'm waiting for the gizzard to dry, and guys, yeah, my stew, my sauce. Sorry, I did video where I'm cooking the sauce, and here is my gizzard, and I use a little bit of stew after frying it. I use a little bit of stew to sauce it. Here are my food. So guys, if you want to know how I make the sauce, please leave it on your comment section. Here are my spaghetti. I'm waiting for my spaghetti to boil, to done. So guys, here's my stew and my gizzard and my spag. So finish cooking my spag. Now I've already mixed it with my sauce. So guys, you can eat now. Here is my food. So guys, thank you for watching. As you can see, my spag is so yummy. Thank you for watching. I'm about to eat. Thank you for watching. See you on my next